Hi, welcome to MarineMax. My name is DJ Lovall. I work here in Gulf Shores, Alabama. This is the new 150 Montauk. It's 15 foot 5 inches long, 6'6" beam, carries 13 gallons of fuel, drafts only 7 inches. With the new breakaway tongue, this boat can go in any garage. Weighing only 1,000 pounds, you can pull this boat with pretty much any car or truck. I'd like to show you some features inside the boat. Starting at the helm with this 15 Montauk, it has a little tow area at the bottom when you're driving, and a little tuck-in spot for your feet. Makes a very comfortable drive. You got some real estate right above the steering wheel. If you want to put some GPS, you have a nice area to do that. You have your gauges on your right side. You have a nice control switch and a cup holder there. You have a compass on top with some cup holders and the nav lights in the center. You have a grab rail, stainless steel, it goes around your windshield. You have a nice bimini top to keep you in the shade. Moving on the port side of the boat, underneath the console you have plenty of storage under there. You got your battery switch, and you have a little container there for accessories that's easy to grab. This boat comes equipped with a cooler with a cushion. You got rod holders in the front of the bow here, cup holders in the side, non-skid on the deck, nice anchor locker up front. You have a new design on your front pedestal on your light. This boat's equipped with a stainless steel handrail all the way around the front and on the back on the side there. Looking aft, you have a rod holders on the side of your well. They're your live well on the back. On this side of your console, you got rod box storage. You have storage also for your fire extinguisher down there. On each side of the live well, you have spots for 5-gallon buckets, or you can convert those into seats however you'd like. There's the rod holders in the back. This boat's equipped with a 60 horsepower Mercury. Includes a boat. Come and see me, MarineMax in Gulf Shores. 423-653-8655 is my number.